QuickLearn Academy. Why is nitrogen so important to life, even though it's all around us? The air we breathe is almost 78% nitrogen. Yet plants and animals can't use it directly. So how does nitrogen actually enter living systems? The answer lies in a natural process that keeps life going. Nitrogen is a key element of proteins, DNA and RNA, and chlorophyll in plants. Without nitrogen, life cannot grow, repair, or reproduce. But atmospheric nitrogen exists as N2, a very stable form that most organisms cannot use. That's why nitrogen must be converted into usable forms, such as nitrates and ammonia. This process moves nitrogen through the air, soil, water, plants, animals, and microorganisms. And it happens in several important stages. First, nitrogen gas is converted into ammonia or ammonium. This can happen through bacteria living in the roots of legumes, through lightning during storms, or through fertilizers produced by humans. This step is crucial because it makes nitrogen available to ecosystems. In the soil, ammonia is then transformed by bacteria in a two-step process. Ammonia becomes nitrite, and nitrite becomes nitrate. Nitrates are the most usable form of nitrogen for plants. Plants absorb these nitrates or ammonium through their roots. They use nitrogen to build amino acids, proteins, and nucleic acids. When animals eat plants or other animals, nitrogen becomes part of their bodies. This is how nitrogen moves through food chains and food webs. When plants and animals die, or when animals release waste, decomposers get to work. They break down organic nitrogen and convert it back into ammonia or ammonium. This ensures nitrogen is recycled, not wasted. Some nitrogen eventually returns to the atmosphere. Special bacteria convert nitrates back into nitrogen gas or nitrous oxide. This usually happens in wet or oxygen-poor soils, like wetlands. And with that, the cycle is completed. Human activities, such as excessive fertilizer use and burning fossil fuels, can disrupt this balance. The result can be water pollution, algal blooms, and ecosystem imbalance. Understanding this process helps us protect the environment. To recap, nitrogen enters ecosystems, changes into usable forms, moves through plants and animals, gets recycled, and finally returns to the air. It's a silent system that sustains life on Earth. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Right here, where learning is quick, clear, and meaningful.